Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a moment to send a quick update that I just saw my rheumatologist and was able to see some blood test results that are really exciting. My lupus anticoagulant is completely gone, disappeared, went from present to absent. My platelets are totally normal now. They were not before. The ketones in my urine went from 80 to 20, which is a decrease of 75%. All my blood counts are looking really good. My leukocytes in my blood are completely gone. ESR, one of the inflammation markers, got cut in half from 41 millimeters to 24, and the normal is 20, so it's almost normal. And I'm just, I know I shared that I was a little bit disappointed with the results when I first saw them, because there's still some things that I really want to improve. But I am doing really good, and I just want to share that things are looking a lot better than I thought. My doctor's really impressed. I have no bald spots anywhere. My hair is growing really fast. My skin looks awesome. And I think I shared that I went in the sun for the first time last week. No rashes, no signs of any impact of that whatsoever. And I'm just feeling really good. I'm feeling like I'm on the right track. I'm celebrating with a smoothie with cacao powder and berries. I splurged on those things at the supermarket. So I'm treating myself and just continuing on this path because I know that it's working, and I feel so good that I got these results and that things are moving in the right direction just a couple months after starting the rapid healing protocol. So I love you guys. We're all doing this, and it's happening, and it's awesome, and we're doing great. Love you.